Alright guys, Mike is back with another review and unboxing Rockford Fosgate Prime tweeters, right? It's R1T-S, Rockford Fosgate R1T-S Prime. So this tweeter, on this video, you guys gonna see unboxing, what it comes inside the box, the build quality, all that stuff, and we're gonna see sound demo comparing with these two speakers. Some tweeters on my videos, all the other videos. If you're new to my videos, definitely watch my other videos. I did a tons of unboxing and sound demo, sound comparison with expensive versus cheap, brand name versus brand new companies, all unknown, unrated companies. So let's go unboxing this guy. Rockford Fosgate, they make a lot of good products for the good price, and some products it's overrated. So I don't know what is that. It's like two steel the gasket. You have some screws, and this is the Rockford Fosgate. Tweeters, all right, and very good long wires. From Twitter it comes long wires. I don't see any filter. Yeah, that's it. And you have a two external mount bracket. If you want to externally mount somewhere, you have definitely put the screws in it any place and you can mount it. All right, so this Prime tweeter, it looks like one of my cheap tweeters. I don't remember how much I paid. This is not including any. This is not advertising driven or anything like that. This all units I bought for my hard cash. So I'm gonna give you 100% honest opinion. Build quality. It is Prime. Prime is supposed to be good line of product, right? Full range, but looks like one of the shit. This is exactly the same. You guys see that? Prime. How much I paid for that? I remember Prime speakers was good. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna connect the sound. We're gonna see if you get better sound quality like my other bunch of tweeters. I just unboxed it. Watch my other videos. Some of them you can hear after these tweeters because this tweeters is loud than enough. This guy it's a lot louder, so I'm not yet connecting these the Infinity Kappa tweeters yet. So if this guy outperform these tweeters, then this tweeter for upgrade, right? Upgrade product. If not come close to this tweeters, then this is just a replacement for the junk whatever you have on your vehicle, right? So let's do it. Play some music, just a tweeter. Oh. All right, so yeah, for interestingly, This is add some tone, some notes. Of course, you're gonna see the difference. If you add this one for any stock the sound system, of course you're gonna hear the difference. Of course, this is be upgrade. All right, so here's the deal, guys. If you want the upgrade and you want the Rockford Fosgate, this is the deal you can get, and you can install it. Of course, this one will remove, like as I show on my other videos, and you can just replace factory tweeters. And this is good. I recommend it, just, you know, the factory tweeter replacement, but don't think you want to get upgraded sound system from this. If you have a upgraded or little upgraded sound system, you have to get something like this. All right, watch my other videos, guys. I'm gonna see you on the next video.